SSD replacement on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Achilles, for trusting PETIT Solutions. The reason for the replacement is that the old SSD is dead and won't read it anymore. Creating the SSD on a desktop computer is a highly effective way to boost performance, speed, and storage capacity. SSDs offer faster boot times, quicker application loading, and improved responsiveness for resource-heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, and large file transfers with no moving parts. SSDs are more durable and reliable than traditional hard drives, reducing the risk of failure. Additionally, upgrading to a larger capacity SSD ensures ample storage for operating systems. Software and media installation is straightforward, making this upgrade a cost-efficient way to extend the lifespan and enhance the capability of any desktop computer. SSD upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your SSD upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.